Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another video. Today I just wanted to pop on, and this is kind of midweek video going on here. Hopefully it's going to be short and sweet. But I was working the other day in here, and I was working on Friday the 15th and Saturday the 16th, right? And look at all this stuff, right? Super fun page in the end. But I wanted to come on and give you a little bit of encouragement in your journaling journey, whether you are thinking about journaling or whether you're kind of at a stalemate in your journaling, and that's okay. You know, you take a break and whatever you need to do. But for those of you who, are thinking about journaling and you're thinking, my life is boring or I don't really do much all day and, all that kind of stuff. I don't have things that are exciting, that I do that that are worthy of documenting. Well, as you can see right here, it was a hard day. It was a hard weekend. But I want to encourage you that all of those moments are worth documenting. Okay, the good, the bad, the ugly, the sad, whatever. I'm also here to tell you that this page, literally, I started out coloring the background, like I do. And then I thought, oh, this will be a really quick page. I'll just slap a few things on here. I don't have much to say because, in all honesty, we did not do much this weekend at all. On Friday and on Saturday we didn't. We were both feeling not well. We were both feeling puny. I was in bed a large part of the time. Both my husband and I both suffer with chronic illness. And so anyhow, yeah, that was basically like our Friday and Saturday was we were either on, my husband was on the couch watching TV, and I was, in my room, in our room, just laying around and just not feeling great. And so I thought when I got to this page, I thought, okay, well, there's not really much that went on. I'm not gonna do a whole lot on this page, and I figured it was going to be much like this page, Well, then I started looking through Mantra Wellness magazine, and I found this. Now, I also want to tell you real quick, I don't journal on the day that things happen either. Like I journal either like the next day or a day or two later. I've had time to reflect on things. I sit here and I think about all the different things that went on, and that's part of the encouraging thing, that I'm trying to do here for you, and for myself as well, to encourage myself, is that just because a day or days did not go as you planned, sit down and think about what's going on. Think about, this is some private journaling in here that I covered with some vellum, but I was on the phone a lot this day. We weren't feeling well. I found this in a magazine, and it was just interesting to me. It says every person's misery is derived from not being able to sit quietly in a room alone. I'm the opposite of that, okay? I'm the opposite of that. So I had some, little thoughts about that. And then I remembered too that I had made this yummy Greek veggie salad. I had some vegetables that needed to be used up before they went bad, and just grabbed some stuff out of my cupboard and mixed it all together, and it was delicious, And so I had sent a picture of it to my daughter, and I thought, well, I have that picture on my phone. I'll just quickly print it out and stick it in here. So I had that to write about, I had some conversations on the phone, and then I was watching this thing. I needed to add more space, right? Because when I started out doing this page, I thought, again, not much happened, Then I started thinking, well, wait a minute. I did watch that video by Suzanne Light, and I'll link it below. And it was just a really great video about small prayers, I believe. And so I watched that, and that was so encouraging. And so I wrote about that in here, this little tip out thing, right? And it's just a plain envelope. And then I had a conversation with my daughter that was really great, and she shared a story about somebody in her Bible study, and so that was awesome. So in the end, you know, a page that I thought was just going to be this and only this, I had to add like tip-ins, 3 different tip-ins, you know, and in here I've got you know, this, right? My conversation with my daughter and watching Susie and Light, and that's coming off, so I'll have to stick that on better. But anyway, my point being, okay, is that you can have days where you're literally in bed all day, or you just take a rest day. It is okay, guys. It really is okay to just do nothing, you know? I give you permission to do that. As far as journaling goes, though, even when you do nothing, which is basically what I thought I did this, you know, Friday and Saturday, it turns out that I had things to document, and every single thing is worthy of documentation. So, again, the good, the bad, the ugly, the sad, the, you know, the exciting, the, you know, whatever. Your life doesn't have to be like on the go nonstop excitement at, you know, every single day, every single minute of the day. You know, there are times that we need to take a rest, and we need to listen to our bodies and all of that stuff. But when you go back to journal about it, think about the things that you've seen, the things that you've heard, the conversations you've had, the things that you've made, you know, all of those things encompass your entire day. And it's sometimes they're big things and sometimes they're little things, but you can journal about all of it, you know? So, or not journal about any of it, you know, it's up to you. I'm just saying, I don't know, I just felt the need to come in here and encourage you guys, especially the ones that have never journaled or want to journal or are just starting out journaling. There are a lot of things to document, a lot of things to write about. And yeah, I just wanted to encourage you on your journaling journey. So I hope you enjoyed that short little video. Hopefully it was a short little video. Keep on journaling, keep on trying. Oh yeah, it's a very short video. Yay! So, little snippet from me. Yep, be encouraged. And yeah, I hope you have a great rest of your day, a wonderful week, and I'll talk to y'all real soon. Bye for now.